Right, so I'm going to see what this wax cracking's about. I see it all over, but not tried it, so here we go. It's me pouring the wax in, melted. It took a while to melt in the microwave. I'm not sure if that's how you do it, but we shall see. Right, here's me pouring it onto a small butter slime. Here we go. And this is about a 4 or 5 ounce slime. Just wanted to see the difference really in the deep slime or the shallow slime. And these are my quickly made up clay pieces. That's meant to be a bao bun. Looks more like a hot cross bun to be fair. I do have baking paper underneath this just because it gets a bit messy. This is a little biscuit. Cover it with the wax. And this is a very pathetic looking donut. So just covering all of the clay. Yeah, I thought it was a good idea to put some sprinkles on the donut, but they just fell off. So there's more sprinkles on the table. There's just me using the rest of the wax. For all the soft clay. I'm not sure how long it takes to dry. I'm hoping not long, so come back for part 2. Let's see if it's worked.